How many customers does it take for a car wash to break even? Let me go ahead and show you all how to figure that out using my financial projection model that's included in my car wash business plan template. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at how we can find the break-even number or the number of customers you need to service in order to break even for your car wash. And I'm going to go ahead and use my financial model that's included in my car wash business plan template. And if you want to pick up one, it's at the link below. So the first thing you need to do is you need to fill out the information page. You need to tell me, or need to tell the computer, how many cars are you going to be servicing on average a day, what the average price is going to be, your variable cost. These are estimates. These are your best guesses. This is what you think you're going to be able to do. Then you're going to fill in your labor, your salary, your employees, your startup costs, your monthly fixed costs, and so on. So fill in this information right here on this tab. When you do that, you then want to massage the numbers to make sure your net profit is where you want it. Typically, I tell my clients, make sure your net profits are above $100,000. When you have your numbers all set, ready to go, what this is going to tell us is you need to service 60 customers every day in order to reach your net profit that you want of $116,000. However, what we really want to know is what your break-even number is. What is your minimum number? And what you do is you just go down to this tab right here, the break-even tab. And right here, this tells us, based on all the information presented, you need to service 23 customers every day. So what this tells us in the grand scheme of things is that on a daily basis, your car wash needs to service between 23 customers to 60 customers in order to, at the bare minimum, break even to reaching your profits that you want to reach. Hopefully this information was helpful. And as always, go out and make a little bit of money.